Yes, I have started.
Yeah. Chalo. Done. So, good evening all. This is Manish from Heist Placements and Heist Digital Academy. We are into placements industries from last 5 years. We are into IT and non-IT sectors. We do have free placements all over Pan India. So today, uh, today we are conducting a demo section on PHP and Android. We'll be having a basic demo section. After the demo section, who have any queries, you can ask the trainer. Now, so actually guys, this is a 3 months program. It's a training, internship, working on live project, certification plus job assistance. For all the above services, we are charging 100 rupees. It's for all 100 rupees. Also complimentary for all IT students. We are providing morning 11 to 12 MS Office, MS Excel, communication, spoken English classes, and evening 3 to 4 and 4 to 5 we are providing interview skills and motivation rounds for our students. Also we have a good openings, whoever interested can join this. Now I introduce Mr. Karthik, the professional trainer of PHP and Android hybrid. Okay, so he will just give you the demo how exactly it work out and what is the program and how it's going on. Please go ahead, Karthik.
Good afternoon, everyone. So, myself, Karthik. I've been working as since from the last 8 years. So, I've been into multiple sectors. I've been into high-end real-time projects such as e-commerce, Ola and Uber kind of applications. So, presently, our demo is regarding the technologies, which we're going to work on, which is PHP and the hybrid mobile. As we can see, before proceeding ahead, I would like to discuss regarding few things.
Samira, you can mute everyone.
Yes, I'll unmute. I'll mute.
Just you unmute Karthik, that's it.
Okay. Okay, sir. Just continue.
Yeah. Please
Okay.
go ahead, sir.
Hey people. So I'd like to discuss with you regarding the technologies which we're going to work on, in our coming days, which is PHP and hybrid mobile application development. So while coming to our day-to-day life, so we often work on, we often use several mobile applications, which may be a gaming application, which may be any kind of chat related application and anything. And at the same time, you are acquainted with using e-commerce websites, you are acquainted with using some WordPress blogs, you're acquainted with using Facebook, Twitter, and all these kinds of web applications. So everything you see, everything you use in the form of web or maybe in the form of mobile application, is completely technology related, is completely which was written by other developers. So as we are going to deal with PHP related applications and mobile related applications, I would like to discuss these two things separately. One is PHP application development and mobile application development. So while coming to the PHP application development, so we're going to work on web technologies. We are going to work on UI, UX, and PHP related stuff. So what is this UI and what is this UX and what is this PHP? I mean, you may have an idea or some few of you might not have any idea regarding this. Okay. So this complete web application development which you often hear about, maybe in your subjects, maybe, you might have heard this terminology outside anywhere, or I mean, any one of you might also know what are the languages which are available inside this web application development. So to develop this complete web application, so you need to have knowledge, you need to have idea on few programmable languages, so which is quite easy, which is very easy and comfortable to learn, and it is very easy to implement. Even if you are from a program, if you are from CSE programming side, if you are from any from non-technical side, maybe from mechanical, maybe from EC, you people also can learn these technologies. You people also can learn these programmable languages, so which creates a lot of opportunities for you moving ahead. So in our day-to-day life, each and everyone is acquainted with, got a habit of using mobile applications and web applications. Everything is online, everything is online. Whatever you see, maybe booking a ticket, maybe booking paying a bill, electricity bill or water bill, and whatever it may be, everything is going online. And if you can see earlier, 10 days back into the past, you might not be able to see any kind of e-commerce websites. So when this fund of e-commerce sites came into the market, you don't often go outside to buy a particular thing or a particular stuff or a particular product which you are interested about. Maybe a grocery item, it can be a ready-made t-shirt or any kind of accessories. Everything is available online. Within a single click, you'll be able to browse through the website, you'll be able to select the product you want, and you'll be able to pay the amount, and you will be able to check out. So we only know, how to use this application, but we don't exactly know what are all the languages are required to do this kind of application. We don't exactly know what are all the things which are required, for you to develop the same kind of application, to deploy the same kind of application into the market. At present, you might be, a student, okay, you might be a small employee who is working in an organization, but moving ahead, you might be an entrepreneur. You might have some idea about launching your own application, and you might be having own interest of launching your own blog into. Now, so to develop these kind of stuff, you're going to learn this web development technologies. So here in this web development technologies, we have front end and back end technologies. So what is this front end development technologies? So we'll be learning regarding HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And in the back end development, we'll be learning regarding PHP. And we're going to learn regarding the databases, the different types of databases which are available, and the opportunities which are available using a specific kind of database. I mean, we have MySQL, Oracle, and we have different type of databases available in the market. So before proceeding ahead, you just need to have a basic knowledge of how to use it. You just need to have some interest regarding, learning a new stuff, implementing a new stuff, and, creating your interest into a reality. So here in this programming, here in this training program, we're going to learn regarding a complete web application development. Remember, we're going to learn regarding HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, and MySQL. And learning these languages by the end of the training program, so you will be able to develop a live working project, and where we're gonna deploy it. So as you are newcomers, as you are newbies, I mean, having knowledge on these technologies will give you an added advantage. Moving ahead, this is a training and placement program. So during this training period, we'll be learning each and every corner of the technology. We'll be learning each and every element related to the program which we are going to implement. This needs patience, and this needs a lot of interest. So once if you can come with both of these things which I have mentioned, we can create miracles. So we're going to work on a live project, which gives a tough competition to the applications which are available in the market. And at the same time, as we have discussed, we're also going to develop a mobile application at par with the web application. You know, in nowadays, you have web and mobile application linked with each other. If you see Swiggy, you can order the same stuff from mobile web application, and you can order the same stuff from the mobile application. So this mobile application which we are going to develop is going to be very, user friendly, very easy to learn and very easy to deploy. Most of the people might get afraid of learning new languages, might get afraid of learning PHP, coding and everything. So need not afraid of learning new things, because learning new things gives you an added advantage. And even if you move ahead, even if you want to try to work in any other company as a developer, ultimately you need to have some knowledge regarding the specific technology, maybe the specific programming language which they are using. So without having proper knowledge on these things, you might not be able to survive in that working environment. You might not be able to survive in that company for a long time. So having the basic things, having the fundamentals, having the strong base in your subject, will always help you moving ahead in your future. So some of you people might get settled in a reputed company, might get settled in a reputed organization, okay, working as a good software developer, getting a good pay scale, everything which you dream can come true. But effort with the proper guidance, normally, we not be working on a small project. We're going to develop a web application and as well as mobile application. You know one thing. So there are two different types of mobile application developments. One is native and one is hybrid. So what is a native and what is this hybrid mobile application development? So there are different devices which you often use, right? So devices such as Android, Windows, and iOS. So you might, at some point of your life, you might got an idea of developing your own application, but you don't exactly know how to develop one. So to develop Android or so to develop iOS or so to develop respected application, you need to have idea on that respected technology. So to develop the Android application, you need to learn Java. So to develop this iOS application, you need to have knowledge on Swift. For developing different platform related applications, you need to have different knowledge on different languages. But here in this training program, we are not going to deal with this native application development. We are going to develop a hybrid application. So what is this hybrid application? So normally, let me just give you an example. Let me say like you are an entrepreneur. You just want to launch your own application into the market. So before, everything, your application should be ready. Before going into the market, your application should be ready. Your application should be tested. Your application should be properly functioning so that you can release it to the market and the people can use it. So your idea is to provide the application for every user. You want to provide your application for Android users, you want to provide application for Windows users, you want to provide application for iOS users as well. So what you'll do, being an entrepreneur, so you try to recruit Android developers, you try to recruit iOS developers, you try to recruit iOS developers, and you make them develop different applications related to the different platforms. So you need to write different codes. You need to write code in Java for Android application. You need to write code in Swift for iOS application. You need to have idea on different languages. But while coming to the hybrid application, believe it or not, in the present generation, since from the last 5 years, there is a boom in the hybrid mobile application development. You know what is hybrid mobile application development? You can develop any kind of application. It can be Android, it can be iOS, it can be Windows, or it can be any kind of application using the same programming languages which we are going to learn here. That means we're we are going to develop this hybrid mobile application development using the same frameworks. We are going to use JS. We are going to use PHP as a backend. You're going to use HTML and CSS. The same web technology related programming languages. Using these languages, you will be able to develop this hybrid mobile application development. And you know the beauty of this hybrid mobile application development, you can write once and you can deploy it anywhere. That means using the same code which you're writing now, you can develop Android, iOS, or Windows, any kind of application. Okay. Nowadays, I mean, if you can see any kind of repeated website, let me take Flipkart into the account. Flipkart provides application for all the devices, no matter what, Android, iOS, and Windows, anything. You find the application everywhere. And at the same time, you have different kind of devices available in the market, you know, different resolutions, different sizes, you know, we have tabs, we have mobiles, we have iOS, and we have the lappies and everything. We have different devices of the different resolutions, and the application which we write, application which we are going to develop will be compatible across all the devices which we use. We can create miracles using the technologies which we are going to learn. And I can assure you, like, having some, real-time knowledge on this real-time programmable languages, it always creates miracles. What exactly happens? I mean, normally, whenever you learn a language, whenever you try to learn a basic language, just try to develop a small application. You learn some basics, you try to develop some small applications, and once when you try to develop a new application, if you want to develop any kind of application related to interest, if you want to scale it ahead, if you want to release it as a product, you should have industry level knowledge. You should have a proper functional and responsive and fully functional automated application. So the technologies which we are going to learn here, the programmable languages which we are going to learn here, will make you develop any kind of website, any kind of web application, any kind of mobile application, and any kind of stuff which you are having interest at. In this 3 months program, we are going to cover each and every corner of the subject. We are going to cover each and every corner of the project. We are going to include the real-time stuff. Real-time stuff in the sense this is going to be a real-time application. Real-time application in the sense you use Ola and Uber, right? So whenever you use that mobile or whenever you use the Swiggy in the application, you often see the real-time tracking of the specific person. So whenever you see the scoreboard, automatically whenever someone hits the 6, you see the change in the score. Whenever someone updates something, in the application or maybe in the database, if someone sends you the message through WhatsApp or Facebook, automatically you will be getting a message, right, without any delay. If someone is typing something, you'll be seeing typing, as a comment there. So we are going to work on a real-time project with a real-time communication. Real-time communication in the sense everything happens, everything delivers within seconds. Just like the applications which you are seeing now, just like the applications which you are using now. This training program is going to be very interesting. This training program is going to be much ahead of what you think now. Just give it a try, and I can give you assurance like it's worth it. You can create miracles. You can create any kind of stuff without any problem or without any help. You'll get much confidence on you while you're trying to develop an application there. It will be fun. There will be a lot of fun. There will be a lot of, complex things which you will be learning, but at interesting. And at the same time, once when we start working on the project, everything will be very interesting. Everything will be very interesting, and each and every idea from you counts. Just think about implementing new things. Just think about implementing new ideas. Just think about a new project or a product which is not available in the market. Just come out with an idea. Let's work on that. Doing a project which is already available in the market is not at all, considerable or appreciable. Let's do something different. Let's develop an application which gives us an added advantage to your resume or maybe your career. Let's develop an application which can give some, guidance to the future coming generations. You are the future generation. You are the future coming developers. If you are strong enough in learning, if you're confident enough in learning these technologies, right, you can develop or you can crack any interview. You can, work anywhere without any problem. You must be in a state where you must not wait for the job. You must not search for a job. The job should come for you, searching for your talent. The present generation is having a very good requirement. We need a lot of developers. A lot of projects are available in the market. A lot of new companies are, forming every day. So each and every company is into technology related stuff. Each and every company which you often see in the market, it may be the medical one, it can be the construction related stuff, it can be any kind of entertainment stuff, it can be any kind of innovative stuff. Every platform which is available in the market, every environment which is available in the market is in need of technology, is in need of development, is in need of developers. Okay, we should create the opportunity. We should create our own opportunities. So when you will be getting these opportunities, so without having proper knowledge on anything, you will not be getting any job. So once when you learn this stuff, once when you got good experience in this stuff, you will be able to develop, you will be able to crack any interview without any issue there. So while coming to this 3 months program, every day is valuable, every day is interesting, every day I need to see more and more people coming with lot of doubts. I appreciate a lot of doubts. Okay, getting doubts and getting errors are very common, but clearing these things are very important. You might cover everything in your subject, you might not cover everything in your in your degrees or maybe outside, but the real-time stuff which we are going to learn, I bet you might not find this stuff everywhere. So this is going to be very interesting, and this is going to be very enthusiastic ride for all of us. So any one of you who are technical enthusiasts, any one of you who wanted to be a developer but yet needed a good guidance, I can give you assurance. Okay, this is going to be a fun ride for all of us. Let's go with a positive vibe. Let's try it, and let's be a awesome developer. Okay, so if you have any doubt regarding any other thing, you can please ask me. So our classes are going to start from tomorrow. Every day we're going to learn new things. So people, please don't be afraid of learning new things. So I'm going to tell you everything. If you get doubts again and again, I'm happy to tell you.
I'm sorry, buddy. Karthik, excuse me. Actually, we are starting classes from 25th.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah. So all the classes day by day on 25th, from 25th, we are going to start the classes. today we are till 25th we have a continuous demos day by day. Karthik, go ahead, Karthik.
So,
Guys, if you
yeah.
have any doubts, you can ask. Yesterday we have done .NET and AngularJS, Node.js demo section. All were happy. And today it is PHP and Android. Tomorrow we have any demo on communication skills and MS Office.
Hello.
So people, so if anyone of you have doubts regarding any of the thing, you can ask us.
Hello. I have a small doubt, sir.
Yeah, please.
You told hybrid Android, right? Is that Flutter, sir?
Yes.
Are
No,
you going to launch
We'll be
Flutter here?
we'll be learning regarding PhoneGap. We'll be learning regarding Cordova. We'll be learning regarding Sencha and Titanium. Okay,
Okay.
these four are the different frameworks which we use for hybrid mobile application development. So once when you got idea regarding developing a small Hello World application, right? You can develop the same thing in these different platforms which we're going to use. Might be Sencha, might be Titanium, might be Cordova, or might be PhoneGap. So I'll be explaining you regarding these different frameworks, different hybrid mobile application frameworks which are available, and we'll go through one of them. Okay.
Sir,
Okay, sir.
sir, after
Yeah,
completion of this course, what are we capable of do the
So after completion of this course, are you able to hear me? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So after completion of this course, you will be capable of developing any kind of web application and at the same time hybrid mobile application. So you will be capable, if you join a company, let me tell you, if you join a company, there will be two teams in the development department. One is a front end and one is a back end. So this front end, so what is this front end? You often see some interesting pages, you often see some innovative, creative,
Karthik sir, your voice cracks.
pages.
Sir, your
Whenever
voice
you
is getting break.
visit the
Can you,
website, right? So
Karthik,
that
your voice is getting break because of signal issue.
thing which you see whenever you visit a site or whenever you
Samira, mute Karthik
visit
once
any
and again you
page,
unmute.
Yes, okay.
Samira once mute
Yeah,
Karthik
yeah,
and
yeah.
again unmute.
Is developed using. So am I audible?
Yeah, Karthik, be in the signal area.
Yes,
You are
yes,
not
sir.
audible, dear.
Karthik sir, unmute yourself and talk. I muted you.
Samira, can't you unmute the Karthik?
No, sir, no. Sir, only unmute. Sir, unmute yourself. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
done. Karthik, be
Am
in
I
the
audible now?
signal place now.
Yeah. Sure. I'm in the signal place.
Go ahead.
So am I audible now?
Yes.
Someone just asked
Yes, sir.
what are we capable of after this completion of program. This complete program is into web application and mobile application development stuff. So after this program, you can survive anywhere as a web application developer or as a front-end developer or as a back-end developer. And at the same time, you can get an opportunity as a hybrid mobile application developer as well. So if you don't exactly know what are all the companies which are working on hybrid platforms, you can give it a try. Every day in the Indeed or maybe the Monster, there are lot of options which are available as a hybrid mobile application developer. There are different vacancies. There are a lot of vacancies available in the market for the hybrid mobile application developer. So we'll be capable of developing, you will be capable of developing any kind of application which you get, any kind of project which you get, any kind of requirement which you get. So for example, if a client comes to you and asks you to develop, a live tracking or Google Map related application, if he asks you to develop some what we say camera or a video or some TikTok related application, he comes to you with an idea, and your idea being a developer is to implement it according to his idea. And I can give you assurance, like after the completion of the program, you will be able to develop any kind of mobile application you want. You'll be able to develop any kind of stuff in the web and as well as mobile application development. Any
So
questions?
do we need to know the basics, know the prerequisites of learning before going to this?
No. So everything which we are going to start, everything which we are going to learn, we're going to cover the basics as well. So no prerequisites are required. Okay, even if you people are from some non-technical backgrounds, you'll not be having any problem there, because we're going to cover everything from the basics. So in this 3 months program, we're going to cover the basics. We are going to cover the advanced level. We're going to cover the project as well. So don't worry about anything. And at the same time, so while going through this entire stuff, while going through this entire training program, if you get any doubt regarding any other thing apart from the subject or apart from anything, you feel free to ask me anytime. I'll be available. Okay. Any questions?
Sir, are we going to learn payment gateway also in this course?
So it depends upon the project which we are going to select. For example, let me select, if you're going to develop any e-commerce website as our live project, and of course, an e-commerce website does have a payment portal gateway. And so if our project demands, we are also going to work on the payment gateway as well. It depends upon the project which we select, which you people select. Okay.
And guys, make sure that if you're very serious in the training period, not more than 1.5 hours a day, you just be in a class for daily 1.5 hours a day. Within 3 months, you can develop your own website and an Android app also. That is enough. See, you can be your entrepreneur also. You can be a freelancer. You can be an employee. By sitting in your home, you can start your own business. It's like, see, nowadays the website's cost starts from 5,000 to 50 lakhs also. Depends upon the client requirement. It is in a 1 page or a 100 pages and 100 different domains they required. So here we gonna teach you front end, back end, admin panel, hosting, and server maintenance, like basic things on server, and majorly on Android, how to develop the project, and everything we'll teach you day by day. By one thing is very clear, if you're daily in the class for daily 1 hour 30 minutes, you will be get on to know what exactly how to develop and what is the programming and all the things. Even though from your side, it should be a very, if you are also showing interest, you can just after the classes, you can do practicals yourself. If you have any doubts, we will be active in the group. You can just ask the doubts to the trainer.
Hello.
Yeah.
So Manish sir.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
first of all,
yeah.
thank you for bringing all these courses. But I have one more doubt, sir. Sir, we
Yeah,
would
please.
like to, many of us would like to join more than one course, but you are suggesting to prefer only a single course because we all having time. So can we prefer more than one course at different time zones,
See,
like
yes,
different batches?
exactly. I'll tell you here one point. See, if you're taking any IT domain, anyhow, you're getting MS Office, MS Excel, communication skills, and what we say, spoken
Interview
English plus interview skills, motivation skills. This is all the complementary part. Plus content writing and digital marketing is also there as a complementary part. And this is enough. If you're selecting any one domain for the 3 months, you can concentrate on that. See, if you are taking 2 IT domains, you can't be concentrated either on that, either on this. This will just spoil your 3 months of valuable time. Okay. Every 3 months, see, this month we are starting this 5 or 2 domains like that, IT domains. Next month again we'll start another 3-5 domains. So every month we have a domain. So you can join in the future. Now you select only one domain. That is what my suggestion. But no, sir, in the morning 7 to 8:30, I'll take AngularJS or .NET, and 8:30 to 10 o'clock, I want to be with a PHP and Android, because it is in a always thing. 365 days, it is a useful all over world. So I'll join the both of sections. Means it's up to you. We are not avoiding that. You can join, and money is also not a concern here. Even some people are saying that, sir, we don't have also, that is not a issue. We are taking them in.
Sir, okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. And guys, if any of your friends really looking for training, you know that your friends, like you may have a 30 to 40 friends, but seriously, some people are would say with you, man, I would get trained if you have any training institute who can train me like that. Okay. Just refer these courses to the type of students. Okay, I hope you have Highs Academy message with you guys. So just share with your friends who are seriously looking for the training. And once again, I want to tell you about this Academy services. It is a totally 3 months program, training, internship, working on live project, certification, and job assistance after 3 months of a training program. Plus complimentary, we have in it MS Office, MS Excel, spoken English, and interview skills, motivation skills also for all our students. Okay. And this is 100 rupees we are charging from the students. Only one reason, students should have a right to question Highs management if we are not providing all these 5 things to the students. Okay. And daily 1.5 hour section, morning we have one batch, and evening you can select any one of the batch. Weekly 5 days, it's a totally 3 months of classes. We don't provide any recording sections to the students until unless if it is a corona problem or any examination problem. Yes, there in that case we are providing the recording sections to the students. Like Roslyn, anyone, if you have any doubts, you can just ask me, guys. Done. Karthik, thanks for your valuable time, buddy. And we are going to start from 25th. All the batches, students, whoever interested, whoever joined, it's well and good. Whoever not joined, you can join the thing. And our coordinators are there with their numbers. They will give you complete information. Okay. Just we are going to end this section. Thank you, everyone. Have a good day.
Have a good
Karthik,
day.
you want to say anything?
Yeah,
Yeah,
people,
please go ahead.
if you have any doubts regarding any other thing, you can ask me now. That's it. Okay. So we are expecting some, candidates.
Hello,
Yeah,
sir.
please. Yeah, please.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, before learning the AngularJS and Node.js, any idea about HTML, CSS, and JavaScript? Is it helpful, sir?
Yes, obviously it will be helpful. See, Node.js is completely different, and the HTML, CSS things which you are talking about is completely different. Okay. So this HTML and CSS stuff comes under the front-end technologies. So having a knowledge on these things and both front-end and the back-end things is an added advantage. It will be a plus for you.
Exactly.
Okay, these are two different.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you.
So
Yeah.
guys, I want to know one thing. How was the training, guys? Everyone.
What, sir? Repeat.
How was the training? Mute yourself and just give me an answer. Students,
Sure,
I'm
sir.
asking everyone. You can just open up with your feelings.
So
Good, sir.
everything is fine, sir, but there are some network issues. Hopefully they will be solving it, right?
Yeah, sure. We from the classes we don't have, we will not be having that issue today. Yes, it is there some technical issues. going on.
Yes, sir.
We'll
Yeah.
sort.
Thank you, sir.
And anything
So as
more,
this is the
guys?
first day, we didn't talk. Yeah. Yeah, Manish.
What, guys?
Can I talk?
Yeah. Go ahead.
Hello?
Karthik.
Yeah. So as this is the first day, we didn't jump deep into the subject. So once when our classes starts, right? So we're going to learn about all the things which we had discussed now. I mean, you'll be getting idea about everything and where we use and why we use them. You know, you'll be getting to learn regarding all the things. Okay. So we are expecting some, interesting candidates, enthusiastic candidates who have good interest, towards learning these technologies and, hello, am I audible?
Yes, Karthik.
Yeah.
Please go.
Yeah. This is it, guys. So if anyone have any doubts, yeah, please feel free to contact Manish or me. Okay. Thank you.
Thanks, Karthik. Thank you very much. Samira,
Yes, sir.
end the section, ma. Share me the
Okay.
recording. Done.
Yes, sure.
Guys, so bye. Take care, everyone.
Thank you, sir. So much. Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah, sure.